Welcome to Techie Auto, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra review. Samsung has once again set new standards in the smartphone industry with the introduction of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This device is not only a powerhouse in terms of hardware but also brings improvements in design, camera, and software capabilities. But is it really worth the upgrade? Let's dive into a detailed review. Design and build, elegance meets durability. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features a titanium frame and an ergonomic design, making it both lighter and more durable. The reduced curvature on the display edges provides a more comfortable user experience. The minimalist camera design also gives the phone a sleek, modern look. Display. A visual masterpiece, Samsung has equipped this device with a 6.9-inch LTPO Dynamic AMOLED to X panel with a 144031:0 resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. With a peak brightness of 2600 nits, visibility remains excellent even under direct sunlight. Hardware and performance, unmatched power. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by either the Exynos 2500 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset depending on the region, built on a 3nm process for enhanced speed and energy efficiency. It comes in variants with 12GB or 16GB of RAM and 256GB to 1TB of storage. Cameras, redefining mobile photography. Samsung has once again improved its camera system, featuring a 2MP main sensor with enhanced image processing. The 5MP periscope zoom lens with 5x optical zoom and a 12MP ultra-wide sensor ensure professional-grade photography. Battery and charging, longer life, faster charging. The 5500 mAh battery supports 65W fast charging and 45W wireless charging, making it one of the best phones in terms of battery life and charging speed. Final verdict, is it worth buying? With its modern design, stunning display, powerful hardware, and pro-level cameras, the Galaxy S25 Ultra stands as Samsung's most competitive flagship yet. If you're looking for the ultimate smartphone experience, this device is definitely a top contender. What do you think about the S25 Ultra? Would you consider buying it?